Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to talk to you about my Moschino fragrances. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts about the Moschino fragrances I have, keep on watching. Okay, the first fragrance I have is Toy 2, and the main accords are fruity, floral, fresh, sweet, citrus, musky, green, powdery, soft, spicy. And for the notes, the top notes are apple, mandarin orange, magnolia. The middle notes are white currant, peony, and jasmine. And the base notes are musk, sandalwood, and amberwood. So I really enjoy this fragrance. For me, this feels very springtime, early summer. I even included it in my fragrances that I plan on wearing more in the springtime video, because when I got this and it was warmer, I just didn't reach for it. I mean, I probably could have worn it when I got it, but I mean, that's the kind of bad part about having such a large fragrance collection. Plus, I have a tendency to get focused on a couple of fragrances and then don't really rotate, which my goal this year has been to be better about that. So I plan on playing around with this more, coming up with some good pairings, and once I get a few that I think are really good, I'll do a video for it. But I really do like this. I had to get used to these bottles. They were just kind of weird to me, but I like them now. They're cute. I sit them, on my dresser, so they're kind of decor as well, which is another reason why I'm like, I should really be reaching for these because they're in my, face. So if you like that citrus floral type of fragrance, I think you'll really enjoy this. I mean, is it groundbreaking? No. It's just a nice, fun fragrance. I think the thing that will ground it down is the fact that it has that musk and sandalwood and amberwood in the base. So this isn't like too citrusy or too floral. And I think that's what also makes me really enjoy it. So that is Moschino Toy 2. Okay, so the next fragrance we have is Toy 2 Bubblegum. The main accords are fruity, sweet, rose, tropical. And then for the notes, the top notes are candied fruit, bitter orange, lemon. The middle notes is bubblegum, Bulgarian rose, blueberry, peach, peach blossom, cinnamon, ginger. The base notes are musk, ambroxan, and cedar. So this is a fun fragrance. It really does smell like bubblegum. I think for me, the bubblegum scent, it lasts probably through the mid notes for me. And then it's not necessarily smells like bubblegum still at the dry down, but it's like a sweet, fun scent, if that makes sense. So it doesn't, to me, the entirety of the scent like really smell like bubblegum, but the entirety of the scent is a sweet scent. So if you're hesitant about this because you're like, I don't want to smell like bubblegum, I think, you should try it out, because on my skin, the bubblegum only lasts, just a little bit. But when you get to the dry down, it's just a sweet, fun scent, if that makes any sense. So I really enjoy this. To me, this is, summertime. I'm going to pair it with, Bath and Body Works Bubblegum Pop from last year. I'm going to pair it with the new bubblegum scent that I have for Noir by Fifi in the body butter. So, and you don't necessarily just have to put it with bubblegum scents. And that's the thing I also like about this, which is why I'm actually kind of happy that, it doesn't just stay solely a bubblegum scent. This is just like the main accord said, it's a fruity, sweet, slightly floral, and I mean slightly floral scent. So it makes it versatile in that way that, you're not stuck with, oh, okay, this is my bubblegum scent. I can only spray it with bubblegum smelling scents. That is absolutely not the case with this, which I really enjoy. So that is Moschino Toy 2 Bubblegum. Okay, so those are the two Moschino fragrances that I have in my collection. This is an interesting brand to me. I may, branch out and add some more, but for right now, I'm just kind of happy with these two. I haven't seen anything that really made me want to say, oh, I have to go get that. Also, I'm really trying to just bring in things in my collection right now that I just really, really want, not anything that I'm like, oh, that would be fun to have potentially. And I'm going to try more to do like travel sprays, because then that way I'm not committing to a full size bottle, especially on scents that I can't like go in the store and smell. Like if it's a scent that I can go into Sephora and smell, then I'm not gonna do the travel spray. I'm just gonna, go smell it. But if there's a scent, that's out there that's like on a fragrance net or fragrance X, and I can get a sample or a travel spray, I'm gonna do that just so I can kind of keep my collection under better control. Because I mean, I bought these fragrances to use them, not just to look at them. And I feel like I'm getting to a point in my collection that it's just too big to really utilize what I have. So I'm going to reel that in. But these two I'm super happy with. I feel like both of them are ones that I would want to keep in my collection on a permanent basis. So, when I ran out from using these, I would definitely want to grab some more. And again, as I said, as I come up with, some fun pairings for these, then I'll, do a video of what to wear with these. So that is it for now. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys at the next one. Bye.